Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited for today's video because this palette arrived while I was on vacation, and this is the first video that I'm filming back from vacation, and it's featuring the Peach Perfect palette from none other than Gourmande Girls. You guys know Gourmande Girls is one of my most favorite brands. They are the brand that I did my collab palette with, Nueva Vida, which is in limited stock right now. So if you want Nueva Vida, be sure to pick it up, maybe in conjunction with Peach Perfect. Peach Perfect also, it was like a little collection, and Christina, the owner of Gourmande Girls, released these two lip oils. I have the yellow one on right now with a lip liner from Tower 28. It's this one right here. The lip liner is in the shade Work of Art, and then the lip oil on top, and it feels so yummy, so good. And there's even like a little bit of like a peach scent to the lip oil. So really nice. The other lip oil, I probably won't change into it just because it's clear, but if you're looking for a clear lip oil, I think these are perfect options. Let's take a closer look into this palette. Everything is in stock right now on the Gourmande Girls website. So this is going to be a beautiful 15 pan color story full of matte and shimmer shadows. I want to give you the exact breakdown of this palette. It does retail for $55 with 99 cents. I do have an affiliate code, and it is Steff, and that saves you 10% off of your order over on the Gourmande Girls website. This palette is going to include 2 duochromes, 1 multi-chrome, 1 rainbow shifting holochrome, 1 satin, and 10 matte shadows. This was also designed by Doodles by the Bunny, aka Angela, over on Instagram. Her and Christina work so well together, and they came up with this beautiful color story and the Peach Perfect artwork. I am excited for this one. I will be giving you guys 2 looks today, and we're going to try it out. And some of you have asked me, in one of my more recent videos, I asked you guys, what do y'all want to see from my channel? What can I do differently? And one of you said you want to see more wear test when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. So as soon as I get home from work, I will show you guys what the eye look looks like. I'm going to go to work with 2 different eye looks, but I do have to change it as soon as I get there because I have a couple meetings, and one of them is in the morning, one is in the afternoon, so I cannot be there with 2 different eye looks. So I'll at least let you see how the shadows held up, and I'm gonna try that going forward with my Get Ready With Me videos and my eyeshadow palette review videos, just so that you guys can see how they are wearing. Now, if it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, Get Ready With Me style of videos. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Gourmande Girls, or maybe this Peach Perfect color story is really speaking to you, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, check the description box for links, codes, everything to all of the items that I'll be featuring in today's video. Some of those links and codes are going to be affiliate, which means I do earn a small commission if you use them, purchase through them. So I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started with Peach Perfect. If you guys want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with the new e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. So I am ready to go all in to Peach Perfect. And I'm wearing a multicolored top that does have peach and green. So I'm wearing this top to work on purpose today. And I think I want to start with the shade at the bottom. This one is called the Peach Boys. And I'm taking this on a rougher 16, and I'm just going to be working this in the crease and bringing it upwards a bit towards the brow bone. Now, I do have a couple Get Ready With Me videos planned for this week. I did some shopping as soon as I got back into the US. For those of you that don't know, I was vacationing for a little over a week in the Cayman Islands. So I'll do a get ready with me where I'm talking to you guys about my experience over there. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, which I hope you do, it's at Steff's Beauty Stash, then you guys have already seen a few photos that I posted during my trip. But I'll do a get ready with me, just talking to you guys about, you know, the good, the bad, the scary moments, because Hurricane Beryl was down there, and when he grazed the Cayman Islands, I believe he grazed us at a category 3 or 4, but I'll be sure to discuss all of that in an upcoming video. This video, I just want to focus on this new Peach Perfect palette from Gourmande Girls, and the shade is beautiful and blended out so well. Next, I'm going to go in with this deeper peach. This one is called Peach and Quiet, and I'm going to be taking this shade on my Rephr 14. Again, just building it into the crease. A little bit lower as well. Oh, I think those are beautiful together. That shade, the shade that I'm using right now, has some very good pigmentation. Very good payoff. Now on a Rephr 13 Max, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called I'm Peachless. Now, fun fact about me, which I'm not sure, maybe I've shared this, but I'm not a fruit person. I don't really eat fruit. I don't like fruit. I can deal with fruit if it's in a smoothie, or I can eat maybe a couple grapes, maybe a couple apple slices if there's like something to pair with it. So maybe like that fruit dipping sauce. I don't know if you guys have Jason's Deli, that restaurant where you all live, but sometimes I'll get the little fruit cup and I'll get the little dip, and I can eat the grapes and maybe even a little bit of the strawberry that way. Or maybe peanut butter with my apple slices, but it's very few and far between when I have fruit in the house, just because it's not my thing. That is looking really good. That's like turned into a nice burnt orange, which I love. And I think I'm going to keep it all monochromatic at the top. So I'm going to go in next with this beautiful shade. This looks like it's one of the duochromes, and this one is called Papa Don't Peach. And I'm taking this on my damp Morphe M124. No, I have not bought my new glitter primer yet, or glitter glue, but it is on the agenda. Don't worry. I'm gonna get one soon because I definitely need it, but I'm not getting any fallout from this one, so not bad. Oh wow, these shades are all blending together so nicely. Okay, let's do something for the lower lash line, because this is where I think I want to play with some of the greens. And I think I'm going to use this one right here called Peach Out. I'm taking Peach Out on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. And I'm only going to bring it to about the midpoint there. I'm cleaning off that brush, and I want to go in. Let's see, do I want to do a shimmer, or do I want to do, maybe let me try this shade right here. This one is called Peach Please. Yeah, that looks good. I'm going to run that under the darker green. Now I'm going to use this shade right here, Peaches and Cream, on that same brush. I already cleaned it off, and I'm going to use this up here by the brow bone. And with that, guys, I think this first look is pretty much complete, and I love the way it turned out. Let me add the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I went in with a Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner in the shade brown for the top lash line. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is this one right here. This is a full sleeve mascara from KVD. And for the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Intense Teal. I love this. This was quick. This was easy. Sister just moved the camera. It was a lot of fun. Let's move over to the left eye and I'll start working on look number 2. All right, so for look number 2, I really want to play with this shade. The shade looks amazing. Like these two shades layered together, I think perfection. What I think I'm going to do, where I'm going to start is with this one up here. This one is called Peach for the Stars. And I'm taking the shade on my Game Beauty E01. And I'm just going to focus that up here, again, bringing it towards the brow bone. Now, I think I'm going to go into this darker shade next. This one is called Want a Peach of Me. And I think all the shade names in here are super, super cute. This is a very pigmented shade. And this is a Rephr 14 that I'm using. That is really pretty. All right, now I want to try going in with two different shimmer shadows, the dark one and the light one here. The first one is called Fizzball, and then the bottom one is called, what is this one called? Something Peach, Georgia Peach. Once again, I am using my damp Morphe M124 to apply the shade to the outer portion of the lid. Same brush, I just flipped it over, going in with that next shade. Ooh, and this is a beautiful shade. Love that. Now I'm going to go in with Life's a Peach for the lower lash line on a Rephr 26. Now, I haven't used two shimmers, this one and this one. So I don't think I'll be able to use this one, but I think I'm going to use this one, Peachy Keen, for the inner corner. This is more of a satin, and I am going to spray it. Very nice. I actually think I'm going to take a little bit of that Peachy Keen shade, and I'm going to add it right up here to the brow bone. Just give it a little something extra. You can see that little bit of sparkle there. All right, guys, let me go take care of finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I really like the way this look turned out. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with the eyeliner I got in my June Ice Cream Beauty box. Where did I put it? It's very similar to the shade Intense Teal. And now, how do I lose these things? Like oh, here it is. It is this one right here. It's from the brand Appeal, and it's in the shade Forest Green. I love the way these two looks turned out. I'm going to have a hard time choosing today, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I am going to do a wear test, so I'm going to be wearing one of these looks to work today, but let me give you my initial thoughts, first impressions over this new Gourmande Girls Peach Perfect palette. Okay, so first off, I think artwork, packaging on point. But what I love about this is, you do get a full-size mirror, by the way, but what I love about this is the color story. I think this is beautiful. I love green, and then with the peach in here, this is coming off a little muted on camera. In person, I'm looking at my mirror right here. It's just so much brighter. It's just, I don't know, the lighting and stuff doesn't do the palette justice, but trust me, when you get it home, the shades are going to be a bit more vibrant. I love the finishes. I love the formulas. I think they did a really nice job with the layout of this palette. And I had a lot of fun with it. I think the only shades I didn't get to use were this one right here and this one right here. And that's about it. So not bad. 13 out of 15 shades for these two looks. I just think it's beautiful. I had such a fun time with it. The lip oil feels really nice. There are two different lip oils. They retail for $11.99 a piece. This is the one I'm wearing with the Tower 28 lip liner. So this is going to go in my little work makeup bag today. But overall, I think that this palette is a winner, and it's definitely getting 2 thumbs up from me. It is in stock right now on the Gourmande Girls website. It retails for $55.99, and my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. Now, let's do the wear test. I'm going to show you guys what one of these looks is going to look like when I get home from work, oh, let's say about 10, 11 hours from now. Okay guys, so here's what the eyeshadow look number 1, that's the one I chose to wear to work today. Here's what it's looking like 11 hours later. I think it looks great. I don't have any fallout, just the initial fallout that I got when I was applying the shimmer, but again, I still have not bought a glitter primer, so it's still on my list, but I think the eyeshadow held up really well. The lip oil, I did have to reapply once, and you can see it's already come off, but made it through, you know, until it got me until up till I ate lunch, and then I reapplied after lunch, and then this is what it looks like now. But I think everything turned out really nice. I really like this palette from Gourmande Girls, Peach Perfect. I think it is definitely worth picking up. Let me know if you're going to be picking this up. Sister is here. She's giving it 2 paws up, and I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.